Ira Joy M. Adraneda, First Honors. Si Ira din ng Special Award for Academic Excellence, Journalist of the Year, Participant in District Level Oration, Filipino, second place in Science Essay Writing Contest Division Skills Competition for Private Schools, third place in School-Based Filipino Quiz Bee, first place in Oratorical Contest, School-Based Speech Fest, seventh place Sports Writing in District School Press Conference, fifth place in Sports Writing Filipino Division Schools Press Conference, Regional Schools Press Conference Qualifier, and fifth place in MTAP Division Eliminations. Nathan Rich I. Bautista, second honors. Tatanggapin din po niya ang Special Award for Christian Education in Computer. Tatanggap din po siya ng mga certificate bilang fourth place in Sudoku in District Mathematics Skills Competition and fifth place in MTAP Division Eliminations, as well as fourth place in Science Quiz Bee Division Skills Competitions for private schools. Sheena May T. Ladra with honors. Siya po ay participant in Math Quiz Bee in Division Skills Competition for private schools and third place in Oratorical Contest School-Based Speech Fest 2008. Mel Sandrex L. Uniforme with honors. Tatanggap po siya ng Special Award for Creative Arts at siya rin po ang nagbabalik ng fourth place in Oratorical Contest and fourth place in Editorial Cartooning in English District School Press Conference.